Okay, so today what are we making?
We're baking cookies.
Breakfast cookies, right?
Yeah.
What's the first thing we gotta do?
We gotta wash our hands.
You're right. So we're gonna turn on the water. Okay, get our hands wet. Yeah, get them nice and wet. Now we're gonna do the soap next. Right, here's our soap. Remember what we gotta do? Grab the back of our hands. Yeah. Get the other back of your hand. Yeah. Now we're gonna go in between. Yeah, so get right in between our fingers where lots of germs like to stay. What comes next? We're gonna grab our thumbs and pull up. Gonna make sure we get our thumbs nice and clean. Good job. Okay, now it's the fun one. You take the fingers and you tickle your hand with all its bubbles so you can get right up in there under your nails and get all the germs out there. Do the other hand. Yeah, tickle, tickle, tickle. Now we wash them off.
Okay.
Your turn, you're right. Yeah, get all the soap off. Say bye, Bubbles.
Bye, Bubbles.
Okay.
Bye, germs.
And bye, germs, you're right. Now we're going to dry our hands. Oh, bless you.
Wait.
Okay. Nice and dry.
We got all the germs.
All the germs are gone. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is you have to make sure you have all the items that you need. So what you'll need is a bowl, spatula, your measuring cups, measuring spoons, and then just the ingredients that you want to cook with. So today the recipe is really basic and it allows for a lot of freedom with your ingredients, so you can really personalize this recipe towards your family's tastes. You ready to cook, Liam?
Yes.
Okay, so we need our 2 mashed bananas.
Okay.
Ready to dump? Scrape it so we make sure we get all that banana goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Okay. And then next what we're going to do is we're going to do a cup of oats. Oats.
Let me get them.
Okay. Ready to dump? Good.
No one.
Well done. So we're going to mix that all together. We're going to give a mix. Yeah. Good job. You ready? I'm going to mix it. Make sure we get it all covered. Okay. So next what I like to add is I like to add about a 1/2 cup of coconut. So I take shredded coconut. You ready to dump, buddy?
I'm ready to dump.
Okay, dump it in. Give it a mix there.
Yay.
So we mix the coconut.
Faster, faster.
Faster, faster, faster. Okay.
Listen.
And then I've got flax seeds here. Yeah, flax seeds. Don't those look fun?
Yeah.
They're little tiny seeds. And I'll add about a 1/4 cup of those. Yeah, go ahead and dump them in. Oh, that's all we need. Okay.
I'm going to use this. I'm going to use it.
You're going to use it.
Then put that in yourself. It looks so good.
It looks so good. Do you know what these are? They're pumpkin seeds.
The pumpkin seeds?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, pumpkin seeds.
Yeah, you wanna... Yeah, we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of those. About. Yeah, good job. Mix those guys in.
Yeah, get all the germs away.
Oh, no, there's no germs.
Well, we wash our hands and let the germs away.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We got the pink germs, a black germs.
We've got sunflower seeds. Unsalted, obviously. About a 1/4 cup of those guys. Yeah.
Enjoy mixing.
Mm-hmm.
And what we mix?
We're gonna add in 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Sprinkle it across. We're gonna do cinnamon, you're right. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon vanilla, just for a little added flavor. How does it smell?
It smells so good.
It does, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then, of course, in our family, we really like chocolate. Chocolate. So, here, I'll scoop them out and you can pour them in.
Okay. I will have a bite.
How's the taste? Ah, no grabbing. Okay, so basically what you're looking for with this recipe is you're looking for the consistency to be kind of tacky but not super sloppy and wet. So if need be, you can always add more of your ingredients that you like, or you can add more oatmeal just to kind of help get it to that texture. Okay, ready? 1/4 cup that. So this is trying to keep it as healthy as possible, but if you want something a little extra sweet, you can add in a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You can add in dried fruits. You can add in nuts, different types of nuts. It's really, really up to you. So the general texture that you're looking for is that it can kind of all stick together like that, where you see it kind of really smooth looking without being too, like I said, too sticky. So it can kind of form that little ball, and that's how you know it's a pretty good texture. So you pouring some vanilla in the cups?
Yeah.
So what I've done is I have sprayed, oh, we need more vanilla in there? Okay. I've sprayed a pan just to kind of grease it up. You can use parchment paper, that sort of stuff on it. And then I'm just gonna dump it on the pan. You can break it into cookies and things, like different cookie breaks. Okay. Generally, you can put it into little cookies and that sort of thing, but I like to just kind of make it into a bar of sorts, just for ease, because then you can cut it into the portion sizes, almost like little granola bars. Okay, so what I've gone and done is I've poured it out onto my pan and I've flattened it until it's nice and even. And then what you're going to do is you're going to toss it in the oven, in a preheated oven of 350 degrees, and let it cook. And we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I've just pulled these out of our oven. They took about 20 minutes. I started them in at 15 and I let them cook to 15. Check to make sure that they were firm to the touch. They weren't at 15 minutes, so I added an additional 5 minutes. And you got the nice browning on the edges here and the firmness on the inside. Again, I cooked them at 350 for 20 minutes and got the desired effect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them cool, and then I'll cut them up and then we'll taste them. Okay, so here they are, all cut up and ready. Take a bite. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah, yummy.